So, bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says that the azeotropic solutions of two miscible liquids. Miscible means when two liquids are mixed, it is like one liquid. So it can be separated like this type of liquid. So azeotropic solution of two miscible liquids is. So you have to find out the suitable answer for it. So option A says that can be separated by simple distillation. So first we will see what is azeotropes. So generally azeotropes are a mixture of at least two different liquids. So azeotropes, mixture of two different liquids. So mixture of two different liquids, and their mixture can either have a higher boiling point than either of the component, or they can have a lower boiling point. So azeotrophs occur when the fraction of liquids cannot be altered by distillation, and they have a constant boiling point like pure compound, because the vapor has the same composition as the liquid mixture, and also the boiling point of a azeotroph mixture may be higher or lower than that of the any component. So what is azeotrophs? Azeotrophs are the mixture of two boils at a constant temperature. Boils at a constant temperature. Boils at a constant temperature and distills over at same temperature completely without any change in composition. And distills over at the same temperature completely without any change in its composition. Without any change in its composition. So what are the azeotrophs? Azeotrophs generally a mixture of two different liquids which boils at a constant temperature and distills over at the same temperature completely, but without any change in its composition. They are like one liquid. So if you see the option 1, then it says that can be separated by simple distillation. So option A is incorrect because it cannot be separated by simple distillation. Then option B may show positive or negative deviation from Raoult's law. So azeotrophs behaves like a pure liquid. So they cannot be separated even by fractional distillation also. Not simple distillation, it cannot be separated even by fractional distillation. And also they differ in their boiling point, like their mixture can either have a higher boiling point than the real components or either of the component, or they can have a lower boiling point. That means option B is correct. So they show positive or negative deviation from Raoult's law. So they are called as maximum boiling azeotroph and minimum boiling azeotroph. Maximum boiling azeotroph and minimum boiling azeotrophs. Boiling azeotrophs based on positive or negative deviation. So if minimum boiling of azeotrophs, then it is positive deviation. Positive deviation. If maximum boiling of azeotrophs, then it is negative deviation. So now option C. So option C says that are supersaturated solution. So it is incorrect. They are not supersaturated solution. They are pure liquid. They behave as a pure liquid and behave like a. So option D says that behave like a single component and boil at a constant temperature. First we know that about azeotrophs that it boils at a constant temperature and like a single component as a pure liquid and boil at a constant temperature. That means option D is also correct. So option B and D are correct. May show positive or negative deviation from Raoult's law and behave like a single component and boil at a constant temperature. Hope you understand it well. Best of